Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to talk about a product that was just sent to me, and this is specifically for our Take Me to the River series. So what you see here, this is the Spotlight kit from Yak Lights. So Yak Lights is based right here in Arkansas, in Rogers, Arkansas, and they've been doing this for years. They've got the LED strips, they've got Spotlight kit, power packs, what you see here. This is actually a 12 amp hour power pack kit. And I've got the full kit. I've got the extension cords. I've got the remote control for this. We'll be doing more content in the near future when we do the install of this on the NuCanoe U10. But I just wanted to kind of show this for you and then link their website down below. There's no affiliation as far as sponsorships or discounts. It's just a really high quality product. And if you could do us a favor, just check them out. They may have some stuff on there other than the Spotlight or LED light kits that you may find useful. But just know their LED light strips are guaranteed for life. So that is really, really important to talk about. There are aluminum strips, they're high visibility, and you can get the little plastic end caps for that little custom look on it, but these are really, really good quality products. The Spotlight here, so as you can see, you can do the SOS, you can do the red and green, so if you're motorized, that'll be what you need, and the Spotlight. The Spotlight is super, super bright. I know I'm blowing out the camera there, but really, really good product. A lot of good features on that. They do have the little handheld remote control, which is really nice as well, and that is Bluetooth. So I still endorse the Guardian Angel Light Kit for kayaks, but some of you have expressed a concern on the battery life on the Guardian Angel Light Kit, and that's legit. I mean, you can run them at different dimness to make them last longer, but this is going to give you that longer lifespan. It's also going to give you quite a bit more brightness. So if you're looking for something more substantial, a true headlight on your kayak, or if you're just looking for some good LED strips to have that red and green, but give you a nice custom look and a product that's going to last you for the lifetime you have the product, this is definitely going to be something you're going to look at. Check them out, yaklights.com. Send them an email, put a note in there, tell them I sent you, just to let them know that their investment is not in vain. But quite frankly, I have no problem supporting quality companies that do quality products, and this is definitely worth a look. Wanted to kind of show this to you. There'll be more content coming out as we're installing this on the kayak. I've got some other products from them. And again, I bought this power pack just to kind of, I like their power pack because of the 12 amp hours, and it's custom made for these kits. So anyways, guys, please check them out for the channel and to support a local company manufacturing products right here in the States. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the quick video, and we'll see you soon.